Can you do Google Ads without a website? The short and simple answer is absolutely not. You need to have a website, because if you have got a campaign running and Google is sending them to your website, you need to have a website. The only where you don't need a website as such, but you still need an online presence, is for the Google Ads call ads. So the call ads work where somebody clicks on your ad and the phone dials out to your phone number. The person who is clicking on the ad does not go to your website. So in that case, you don't need to have an online presence or a website, but you need to have that website for the verification purposes. So the number which you have put up in your Google Ads account or the call extensions must be on your landing page. So what I mean by that is, you don't need to have a website, you don't need to have a fancy one. You can just have a photo, your headline or a logo and a number, and that would be good enough for Google Ads to verify your landing page. So for call ads, you need a verification URL, and then Google is going to look at your landing page and see that the same number is on your website or your landing page, and then your ads are going to get approved. Otherwise, the ads for call ads will definitely get disapproved if it's the wrong number on your website or there are no numbers. But with regards to search ad, display, YouTube or video ads, you definitely need a website to run your Google Ads campaigns.